A ball is initially moving with velocity of 0.5 meter per second. Initially moving means initial velocity. 0.5 meter per second. Its velocity decreases at the rate of 0.5. Velocity decreasing at the rate of 0.5 meter per second square is called as negative acceleration. Or I can say A is minus 0.05 meter per second square. Velocity decreasing at the rate is called acceleration. Because it is decreasing, it is called retardation. So body is moving with initial velocity 0.5 with retardation. That means velocity is decreasing at the rate of 0.05. Calculate how much time it will take to stop. To stop means final velocity 0. How much time it will take? How much distance it will travel before it stops? Only important was this point to understand. Velocity is decreasing means retardation. So we know that A equals to V minus U upon P minus 0.05 is equals to 0 minus 0.5 upon P. So minus 0.05 is minus 0.5 upon P, minus minus cancel. T equals to 0.5 upon 0.05, that will become 5 upon 10 into 100 upon 5, 5 you can cancel, 0 cancel. So T equals to 10. See, body moving with initial means U. Velocity is decreasing at the rate is acceleration. Decreasing, so negative. After what time it will come to rest? So T is how much when V is 0. And what is distance covered? So I got T as 10. Now S is ut, or you can use V square is u square plus 2as. So 0 square is u square plus 2as. Therefore u square will become minus 2as. Now here I am solving. U square means 0.5 into 0.5 2 times minus 2. This is minus 6 square minus 2 into 0.05 into s. Minus minus cancel. So we get distance s.
सर माइनस 2as कैसे हुआ?
पहले इतना करो खाली कॉपी. Just copy this.
सर माइनस u स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2as होगा ना?
हाँ, u square is minus 2s. One side is only.
ओके ओके समझा.
इसको माइनस निकाल दो, ठीक है. वो u square, I assume that it is brought on the left hand side. Just copy this one.
हो गया सर.
Sir, done.
Yeah, okay. U square is minus 2s. I'm putting all the values. 0.5 into 0.5 is minus 2 into minus of 0.05 into s. So 0.5 into 0.5 equals to 2 into 0, minus minus will become plus, 2 into 0.05 is total distance covered. So I'm removing decimals to make my calculation easy. From numerator 1 decimal removed, denominator 10. And here numerator will be 100 upon 2 into 5 equal to s. 1, 2, 1, 2 cancel, 5, 5 cancel. 2.5 is s. S is 2.5. Okay.
Yes, sir. Wait.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Wait, please.
Next one. Aditya, you can read next one.
Yes, sir. One second.
Just read it.
Write an expression for the gravitational force of attraction between two bodies of masses m1 and m2 separated by a distance r.
Okay.
Also derive
Okay.
the
Okay.
SI unit.
Okay. 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 Stop.
Okay, sir.
So by Newton's law of gravitation, formula for force between two mass is F equals to G m1 m2 upon r square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Also derive SI unit of universal constant G from the expression. So can I say from here G will be Fr square upon m1 upon m2 by cross multiplying, see? So unit of G will be, what is unit of F? Is it Newton?
Yes, sir.
And distance is meter because it is square m square, and this is kg
Yes, sir.
kg, so kg square. So Newton meter square kg raised to minus 2. Write this answer. Unnati, followed now?
Sir, हाँ.
Pakka na?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir, हो गया.
Third piece now. A car is moving with a velocity of 30 meter per second. A car is moving means initial velocity of the car is 30 meter per second. It is stopped in 2 seconds. So in 2 seconds, V becomes 0. By applying force of 1500 Newton through its brake, calculate change in momentum. See, this triangle means change, momentum means speed. Also retardation produced in the car by Newton's second law of motion. Force is change in momentum upon time. So force is 1500, change in momentum delta P, time is given 2. So change in momentum is 1500 into 2, which will become 3000. Unit is kg for mass, meter per second for velocity. Then find what is acceleration. Please copy till this.
Sir, wait.
Yes, sir, wait.
Waiting. So this is very beautiful sum which has been asked. All the three were unique.
Done.
Now, can you apply your brain?
Sir, रुको ना.
Yes, wait.
Yeah, हो गया.
How to get acceleration from UVT?
E is equal to U plus AT.
Yes, solve then. Or A is V minus U upon T. Get acceleration. V is U plus AT. What is A? Tell fast.
Acceleration.
That is okay, but value what you are getting? V is U plus AT, na? So 0, U is
Sir,
30
these
plus
type of
A.
sums can come in exam.
I have got one stick at my home. There I will do abracadabra, and after 10 minutes I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
So this is minus 15 meter per second square. This is the answer. That means there is retardation.
Yes, sir.
Now anybody is having any particular doubt? Saksham?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, not.
So magnetism ka diagram will study.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me in which instrument there is no positive negative mark? In current electricity chapter, which instrument is having no marking?
Galvanometer?
Correct. Galvanometer has got no marking. Can AC voltmeter record DC?
No.
No, correct.
No, sir.
What do you mean by AC? AC means what?
Alternative current.
I no, correct. Alternating current, but what is that? It is
Sir, it changes its polarity.
that means it changes its sign after every half cycle. Okay. One paper I am sending to you all. One of the school has conducted the exam.
सर मैग्नेटिज्म में क्या क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है वो भी बोलो ना.
Right. List of question in magnetism. Please write down.
Sir, you send one photo.
No, that is question paper which I am going to discuss now. I am telling list of question in magnetism. Please write down. State the properties of
रिपीट करो ना.
state.
फर्स्ट वाला ये है.
First year. State the properties of magnetic lines of force. State the properties of magnetic lines of force. This is guaranteedly they will ask. You have to remember at least
The magnetic lines of
force.
Sir, how many points to be written?
Minimum 4. 4 you can write. 4 you will get full mark. Next question.
State the properties of.
And the first one I told, state properties of magnetic lines of force, or only magnetic line, same. The next one, explain the term induced magnetism.
second repeat करो.
Second, again you want me to repeat?
हाँ sir. Solution to the loser.
Explain induced magnetism. Third question, what is neutral point?
Sir, induction precedes attraction. That is important.
No, that is not that important. The next one, very important. Draw the pattern of magnetic field lines near a bar magnet placed with its north pole pointing towards geographic north. Indicate the position of neutral points by marking X. So I'm showing this diagram. Draw the pattern of magnetic field line near bar magnet placed with its north pole pointing towards geographic north. Indicate the position of neutral point by
Points by क्या है वो?
marking X.
Thank you.
What do you mean by neutral point? Any of you are remembering?
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah, say.
Sir, when a magnetic field is like a bar magnet is placed on a table, and when we mark the magnetic lines with a compass, actually there is a point formed between the magnetic field, and in that point the magnetic compass which we are using to mark the points, it get neutralized, like opposite polarity. It makes the compass neutral, and at that point this.
Now you are done. I am telling. Neutral points are the points at which two magnetic fields are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. One field is of earth, other field is of magnet. They are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Okay. Now, just drawing the diagram for magnetic field line when north is facing north. North pole faces north, geographic north. Now see how to draw magnetic lines. So first we all know this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west geographically. Correct now? So if I place a magnet here, magnet, this is a magnet. With its north pole facing north we are drawing. So this is north, this is south. Geographically also above is north and below is south. Now we have to draw the magnetic lines from the magnet indicating neutral point. Where will be the neutral point? On this line, this way somewhere here, or it will be somewhere here. Line passing through south pole and north pole of magnet is called axis, and this is called equator. So where will be the neutral point, at axis or at equator? 1 minute, I will explain you here. Earth ka magnet has this way magnetic field, this way.
Yes, sir.
This way, from south to north. So if I want neutral point, then this magnet which is suspended here inside should give me field ulta, no? Like this.
Yes.
Then only somewhere magnet would become same, answer will become 0. Not followed? See, I can't change earth, but definitely I can change magnet, na? So when magnet ka north is facing north, then its magnetic field, if point is on the axis, this is called axis, then its magnetic field is from south to north, aisa. Earth ka bhi aisa hai. So can you get 0 anywhere here? Both are in same direction. Can you get? No, no. Hello, can we get 0?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. But when I reverse this, make here south, here north, then this is the magnet wala field and this is earth wala. I can get 0 somewhere on this vertical line. But I am interested in this position only where is 0. So it will be 0 on this line which is passing through center and perpendicular to the south north. Somewhere on left or right, this will be opposite direction. Isko equator bolte hain. It is always from north to south. So wherever magnitude of earth wala matches with equator ka magnet wala, then answer will be 0 or not?
Yes, sir. If it is parallel.
So somewhere perpendicular to that north south, at certain distance you have to mark X, because they are telling draw the diagram with neutral marked as X. So my first problem is where is neutral? If south is facing north is facing north, south is facing south, then neutral will be always on equator. Equator means line passing through the center perpendicular to the plane. So it will be from center somewhere on left, either side or right. So this is my that neutral point. I am marking X. This much you have followed. See to it that it is center ka line.
Yes, sir.
Because you will have scale. So dotted you can draw. This is X. Everybody has followed this much.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अभी मुझे magnetic lines चाहिए. Magnetic line starts from where? Positive or negative? North क्या south? It starts from north,
North.
goes to south, external.
North to south.
So can I say it will be like this? North to south, north to
Yes,
south.
sir.
Draw few more lines, north to south. Can show 2-3 lines x, थोड़ा दूर बना देना. From the south, the magnetic lines enter, comes out from north. Here it will enter, enter.
Yes,
Here will
sir.
come out, here it will come out. Then after x, there will be field like this, going from south to north. Only at x there is no field. At x there is no field. Followed the diagram, or again you want
Sir,
me to?
how? Sir, this is overlapping here, no? The left one. Wait, this one.
They should not cut each other. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Draw now. Important is this x वाला. X will be here. इसका center वाला किधर तो दूर बना देना x से. So that this is magnetic lines I have drawing. ये outward, ये inward. फिर इधर ऐसा ऐसा ऐसा
So
ऐसा.
it should be in between x, that neutral point.
हाँ, it
Like,
will be line passing through center perpendicular to that magnet.
okay, sir.
Everybody has followed, or you want me to draw once again?
No, sir, followed.
PPS student they have followed. Aryan has,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Aditya has
Yes,
followed.
sir. Yeah, understood.
एक और बनाता हूँ because मुझे लगता है एक डायग्राम तो आएगा यार. ज्यादा चांस है for this to be asked. Can I rub this diagram and do another one? North is facing south
Yes,
wala.
sir.
Next diagram is for magnetic field lines of permagnet when its north pole is facing south. North pole N faces geographic south. Geographic south. So this time if this is magnet, north pole is facing geographic south. So niche north, upper south you have to show. This time Reyansh, where will be the neutral point? It will be on this axis, okay?
Yes, sir.
Either above or below. So this is XX. In earlier case, north was facing north and south was facing south. Then it was on equator left, right. Okay. Now it is on the
सर
x
ये
axis.
एक्सेस पे रहेगा ना?
हाँ, ये axis. ऐसे line axis बोलते हैं उसको. Line joining south pole and north pole is called axis. So now from north it will start the field and it will go to south. From north it will start and go to the south. Draw many lines like this. Draw many lines like this from both the side. From both the side. Yes. Understood now? This diagram part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please all of you draw. Then small tricky question I'm giving.
सर ऐसा डायग्राम अगर स्कूल में बनाए तो चलेगा?
मतलब ये क्या MF हुसैन का डायग्राम लग रहा है क्या?
सर नहीं सर, मेरा ड्राइंग बहुत गंदा है.
अरे आपसे तो मेरा कितना मस्त है देखो. With pencil you draw and with protractor, then they will give you full mark. That means you take pencil scale, draw this line, it will look proper. Then take compass, put center here, draw one circle. Center here, draw another circle. मस्त लगेगा ना फिर तो. Pro circle is not allowed to you all. Yes, Tron, can I clear this diagram?
Yes, sir.
चलो एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, देखता हूँ किसको किसको आएगा. Related to neutral point. If neutral point lies on axis, then which pole of magnet faces north? Bolo. Neutral point lies on axis, which pole of magnet faces north? No idea?
सर
इसका-
एक्सेस मतलब हॉरिजॉन्टल की वर्टिकल?
No. See,
Vertical.
this is the magnet, na? Axis means line joining. Don't buy vertical horizontal, because if I place magnet like this is south north, this is axis. So it is line joining, south and north is connected. So which pole of magnet faces north? So if point is on axis, then opposite pole face the north. So south will face north and north will face south.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Right
sir.
on. Right on. So right, south pole faces north. And if it is on perpendicular line or equator, then north faces north, south faces south. Okay. One more, write down. If neutral point lies on equator, then north pole faces north and south pole faces south. Chalo, can I clear this?
No, sir. Wait.
Can I now clear this? One question I want to ask you.
Yes, sir. Done.
Just tell me. If at neutral point,
क्वेश्चन है.
ये इसके में
Tanvi, mute.
Please mute yourself.
ये दूसरा ड्रॉअर पर उठला?
Tanvi mute.
तानवी म्यूट.
तानवी म्यूट कर.
तानवी काय झालं? एक सेकंड बाबा करतोय. तानवी कशाला एवढी आरडाओरडी? See, if at neutral point Earth's field is 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Weber per meter square. This is unit of field, Weber per meter square. So what is value of field of magnet? Can anybody give me the correct answer? At neutral point, Earthwala field is 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Weber per meter square. It is also called as Tesla. Kasla near Tesla. Then what is value of field of the magnet? Saksham? Yes, Saksham, can you tell the answer? You are there. Aryan? Aryan Joshi?
Yes, sir.
What will be the answer? न्यूट्रल पॉइंट पे अर्थ का फील्ड है तो मैग्नेट वाला सेम है ना, सेम मैग्नीट्यूड है ना. तो क्या आंसर है? यही छापने का अपने को, सेम मैग्नीट्यूड बट डायरेक्शन विल बी उल्टा. क्लियर?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. So now one more question. One more. So this chapter is very simple, theoretical, but ऐसा dangerous question they can ask. If one neutral point is at 20 centimeter, then where is other point? Other neutral point?
20 centimeters.
20 centimeters, no?
20
Same.
centimeters.
20.
It's 20 only. Is at same distance, 20 centimeters. So there are actually two neutral points.
Oh, like that.
Left, right, up, down, two neutral points at same distances from the center. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, I am just tell me, can I remove this?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Have you seen horseshoe magnet?
Yes, sir. I've seen.
Yes, sir.
देखो हॉर्स भी शू पहनता है, बाटा कंपनी का क्या?
No, sir.
नाइकी, प्यूमा?
No, sir. Iron.
So this is suppose horseshoe magnet. When I stretch it like this, then magnetic power will increase or decrease? This is my
Decrease.
Increase.
it will always increase, remember, because this length is increased.
So decrease now because see the sir from this to this or from this to this.
This is one pole, this is one pole, ये दो का बीच का distance है. Distance increases, then magnetic strength increases. This is one formula. This
Oh,
study later on, it increases. Okay. Chalo.
okay, sir.
Now I have sent you one paper which was asked latest in Podar school. There is one school called Podar school.
Yes, sir. I know.
Let us see whether you are knowing now some sums. Chalo. Classify the physical quantities in as scalar and vector. What is pressure? Scalar or vector?
Scalar.
Pressure
Scalar.
is scalar. Force?
Scalar. No, vector.
Vector.
Vector. Force is vector.
Vector.
What about momentum?
Vector.
Vector.
Momentum is a vector because it is change in velocity. What about work?
Scalar.
Scalar, correct, because it is work is nothing but force into displacement in the direction of force. So that's why it is called scalar. It does not changes. It is always in the direction of force. Abhi those special. What about current and area?
Current.
Current is scalar.
Vector.
Current is scalar. No
Very good.
direction.
Current is scalar and area vector.
Current scalar कैसे?
बताता हूँ. ये करंट है 5 एम्पियर का, इधर से दूसरा करंट आया 2 एम्पियर का, तो टोटल करंट कितना होएगा? 7 एम्पियर.
7 ampere.
We didn't use any geometry, algebraic addition किया ना? Algebraic addition किस में करते हैं? स्केलर में क्या वेक्टर में?
Scalar में.
इसलिए वो स्केलर है.
Okay, sir.
So pressure, force, momentum and work दो एक्स्ट्रा दिया मैंने. करंट स्केलर, एरिया इज वेक्टर. For a given simple pendulum, define the term amplitude. Are you knowing what is amplitude of pendulum? What is amplitude of pendulum? Are you knowing?
No, sir.
No?
So can
Sir,
you
the
go to the
maximum
formula.
distance.
What you are saying?
previous slide?
Keep muted please.
Yes, sir.
The maximum displacement of the bob from its main position on either side.
Correct. Very good. Right answer. The maximum displacement of the bob from mean position on either side is called as amplitude of the pendulum. So A to B is called amplitude. A to C is also called amplitude. The maximum displacement of bob on either side of mean position is called as amplitude. Can you tell me what is effective length? Anybody knows what is effective length? If this is Bob,
It is the distance of the point of oscillation.
no, you have to write like this. Distance from point of suspension to the center of mass is called as effective length. That means if this is Bob of length 2.5 centimeter and this is center 0.5, so net will become 3 centimeter. Okay, understood now? Cannot. The
Understood.
effective length is distance from point of suspension to the center of mass. Point of suspension to the center of mass. So if they say length of the string of pendulum is 2.8 and bob is of diameter 0.4, make it half, add the two. Completed. Shall I clear it off?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, either side. Wait. Suspension to the center. Sorry. Done.
Done, na? When a person jumps out of a running train on a platform, he falls down. Give reason.
Sir, because when a
Due
person is
to
traveling,
wait 1 minute. Let me answer. Due
uh,
to inertia of motion, the lower portion of the person comes to rest, but upper portion still is in motion. Hence he falls. Clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. State the action force and reaction force when firing a bullet from gun. State
When
the
a bullet is fired from a gun, an equal and opposite reaction force is
action is in forward direction and reaction will be in
will be
backward direction.
opposite to the.
The bullet going forward is the action.
Action and recoil of the gun is reaction. Recoil of the gun is called reaction. Okay. A car is moving with velocity of 20 meter per second. Brake is applied to retard at the rate of 2. Find the velocity at the end of 4 seconds. Please all of you try.
Yes, sir.
Try. Let me see whether you are able to answer. Car is moving with velocity of 20 meter per second. The brakes are applied and the car retards at the rate of, retard means minus 2 meter per second square. Find the velocity at the end of 4 seconds. Please do it. Correctly tell the answer.
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Do it.
Sir, done.
What is the answer?
The answer is 16 meter per second square. 16 meter per second.
Yes, sir.
Answer is 16 you are getting.
No.
Not 12.
So 12.
12 will get.
20.
What Aditya yaar ऐसा क्या?
Sorry. अरे
ठीक है. खाई गए में लगता है अपने 4 into 2 6 लिख दिया. है ना?
yes, sir.
Next one. Sketch a graph of length of simple pendulum. Graph of T versus length. T versus length of simple pendulum.
Sir, can you repeat the question, please?
Yeah, I have sent beta this on the common group.
Sir, I am not there, na. That's why I'm asking.
Acha, I'm sending to you also.
Ah, sir.
Because without answer the question, you will not be able to understand. No? Now, see, I have sent to everybody. Next question is, draw the graph of T versus length of simple pendulum. Any of you know this graph? T versus length.
So your video is paused.
Pardon?
Now it is.
T versus length. What is time period of pendulum? 2 pi root of L by G. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So T versus length means if I square, I get T square is 4 pi square L by G. No? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वो t square दिया है लगता है t square versus length. So t square is my y and L is length. It is straight line passing through origin. So whenever you get like this is of type t square is y, all other things are constant into x. So whenever you get y equal to constant into x, it is straight line passing through origin. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir. Got it.
And there is one term called slope, which is equals to this angle, suppose theta, then it is tan theta is opposite side t square upon L. इतना आपको नहीं आएगा टफ, खाली ग्राफ तक थोड़ा समझने का कोशिश करो. T square is along y, so entire t square is y. So y is constant into x type means straight line passing through origin. If completed, tell. Then next this question we'll discuss.
Sir, done.
Okay. Next is the distance traveled and the displacement is same. Can the statement be true? Justify your answer. Can it be true? Distance displacement same?
Yes, sir.
Yes. When it is possible?
If the object is moving in a straight line.
Yes. When the body is moving in a straight line without changing the direction, then displacement and distance are same. Correct. Name the physical quantity expressed with a unit Newton second. Expressed in Newton second. Must hai. Beautiful question. Name the quantity expressed in Newton second. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Newton second, which quantity? Newton
4 seconds.
second means force into time, na? Newton
Acha,
second. Newton means force or not?
Yes, sir.
Second means time or not?
Yes, sir.
So force into time or not?
Yes, sir.
But what is force? Change in momentum upon time. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means for me, force into time is change in momentum. That means Newton second is for whom? Change in momentum. So Newton second is unit for change in momentum. Not clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Newton second means force time, but we know force is change in momentum upon time. So Ft becomes change in momentum. Beautiful question asked in Podar. Podar. नाम ही देखो पोडर. डर गए होगे सब स्टूडेंट्स. पोदर. Define the quantity described by you in question 1. What is that quantity described by you? Change in momentum.
Yes.
बस हो गया. Identify quantity, it is change in momentum. Next question. A pendulum has length of 36 centimeter and time period of 2.2 second. 2.2 है क्या? नहीं, 1.2 है. I have to go to the optician. I think eyesight is not good. 1.2 second. Find the time period of another pendulum. So this is length L1 T1, T2 का time period another pendulum, whose length is 81 centimeter. What is time period of pendulum formula, Saksha? Aryan Joshi? Reyansh?
Yes, sir.
What is time period of pendulum formula?
Amplitude.
No beta. Time period का formula ये बाहर करो अच्छे से. 2 pi root L upon G. Amplitude is called maximum displacement, but time period of pendulum 2 pi root L by G.
Sir, L क्या है?
Length of the pendulum.
Okay.
So can I say this is T1 upon T2 will be root of L1 by L2 or not? Tell me.
हाँ, yes, sir.
See, anybody is not knowing, please tell. 2 pi
Sir,
and
G
G.
क्या है?
G is acceleration due to gravity.
Okay, okay, thank you.
So now once you know formula, did you get this concept? T1 by T2 is root L by L1 by L2? No.
Yes, sir.
So T1 is given 1.2.
ये फॉर्मूला लिखना है.
हाँ पूरा पूरा कॉपी करना पड़ेगा.
ठीक है सर.
L1 is 36, L2 is 81. What is square root of 36? Square root of 36. चलो फास्ट फास्ट बोलो. Square root of 36.
6,
81.
9.
9.
9. So T2 will be 9 into 1.2 upon 6. 6 into 0.2. So new time period is 1.8 second. Okay. Please copy full sum. आपका भी स्कूल वाला पूछेगा एक पेंडुलम. Shanvi followed this one? Ananya, Shanvi, Unnati, Sri Lakshmi,
Yes, sir.
Akruti, everybody followed? Yes. What is second pendulum? You all know? Second pendulum?
Yes, sir. A pendulum which
The time period of oscillation equal to
2
2
seconds.
seconds.
2 seconds. So what will be its frequency? 0.5, half na? Frequency and time period are ulta. So if it is seconds pendulum, time period is 2 seconds and its frequency is 0.5. What is its length? 1 meter. Remember this. Length how much? Length of second pendulum how much?
1 meter.
Yes. Complete it fast. Pendulum wala.
सर हो गया.
Yeah. Everybody is expert in copying. A फटाफट copy कर. Next. Complete the following table. Quantity is density. It is mass upon volume. Second quantity is frequency. It is dash. What you will write? 1 upon time period, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And what is symbol of mass per unit volume? Either unit, symbol and abbreviation. Unit is kg upon meter cube. Density unit is what? Kg meter raised to -3. Hello. Kg meter raised to -3. Huh, correct. Next one. State the effect of time period on simple pendulum in following cases. Pendulum, both made up of ice, starts melt. Bob made up of ice starts melting. What is effect of time period if this is Bob made up of ice starts melting? If it starts melting, center of mass will remain at same place or not? Hello?
it will remain
sir.
same.
Yes,
So
sir.
nothing will happen. It will remain
Unchanged.
same. So unchanged. Time will remain constant. Unchanged. Because pendulum ka time does not depends upon mass. Iron bob is replaced by identical bob of aluminium. Nothing will happen. Anything will happen? If iron
No,
bob, nothing will happen. Pendulum is taken to moon.
No. Ah, yes. No, 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 no.
No. Yes. Taken to moon, g will decrease, no? So time will increase or not?
It will increase now.
You are telling no. Taken to moon, g becomes 1/6. So time will become more, na?
Oh,
Shade the difference between speed and velocity.
so speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity.
All you will only say, let others also get the chance, na? Because they are having exam. Let their confidence get developed. Speed is ratio of distance and time. Velocity is displacement and time. Speed is a scalar quantity. Velocity is vector quantity. Speed is always positive. Velocity can be positive, can be negative, can be zero.
Sir, how many points?
At least 1 minute. See if it is 2 mark, 2 point, 2 point, 2 to 3 point. You write, please.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Here they have given any 3 points.
Okay, sir.
Next. How much time a stone will take to fall from tower 80 meters? This you will do on your own now. How much time will a stone take to fall from tower of height 80 meter? What will be its velocity on reaching the ground? That is v on reaching the ground if g is 10. Please try.
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Try fast. So initial velocity in disguise, it is 0.
Sir, we can also use now that v square is equal to u square plus 2gh.
We are not knowing v, na, so we can't use it.
हाँ ना सर, v तो नहीं पता, लेकिन बाकी के 3 तो पता है ना, हम लोग फिर v ढूंढ सकते हैं.
नहीं, कैसा पता है? हाँ, to get v we can use, na? But at the
हाँ.
first I'm finding this time wala part.
अच्छा, ओके. Done, sir.
Okay. Got the answer 4 and 40?
Yes, sir.
Others also got?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Complete the following. Who all are making karanji at home in Diwali?
सर वी विल सी, क्योंकि घर का भी काम है थोड़ा.
अरे ऐसा मत बोलो, मुझे खाने क्या इधर आके. 6.4 micrometer is dash meter. 6.4 micro is how many meter? into 10 raised to minus 6 meter.
-6.
When I told you told minus fix 6 है ये fix नहीं है 6.4 into 10 raised to minus 6. Right answer. 5800 Angstrom is dash nanometer. How many nano? Not
Sir,
remember
10.
it?
Sir, 10.
एक minute.
See,
See, 1 Angstrom
5
means
5
10 raised to minus 10 meter. Meter to nano, you have to multiply by 10 raised to 9 nanometer. So it is actually 10 raised to minus 1 nanometer. Okay. 1 Angstrom is 10 raised to minus 1 nanometer. 1 nanometer is 10 Angstrom. Ulta if you do. Please write perfectly full.
Yes, sir. Wait.
So this will be 5800 into 10 raised to minus 1, which is 580 nano.
Done, sir.
Okay. A bullet is moving with initial velocity of 20 meter per second. Strikes the target and comes to rest, means finally zero. After penetrating distance of 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 meter. Calculate retardation. Can you do this? V square is u square plus 2as, है ना? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Solve, tell the correct answer again.
Sir, minus 2000 meter per second.
Minus 2000, correct.
सर कल का पेपर इजी रहेगा ना?
एकदम इजी रहेगा. आज मैं पूरा रात प्रेयर करूंगा आपको.
सर बहुत डर लग रहा है, इतना क्वेश्चन भी
हाँ,
वास्ट है.
हाँ, पोर्शन वास्ट है. यस, ये
हाँ
तो
सर.
और पता नहीं किधर कहाँ से पूछते और मार्क्स.
सर अभी तक हर सब्जेक्ट का इजी पेपर आया है.
फिजिक्स ना एक्चुअली जानबूझ के टीचर लोग क्यों खुन्नस निकालते हैं मालूम नहीं. टफ ही रहता. See, this paper is also not that easy, na? Next one. State the universal law of gravitation. Can you state this universal law of gravitation? Force of attraction between two mass is directly proportional to product of mass and inversely proportional to square of distance. Are you not remembering? Then please write down. According to, ये तो पक्का आएगा आप लोग को. According to Newton's law of gravitation, force of attraction between two masses is directly proportional to the product of masses and inversely proportional to the square
Of
of distance between them. Therefore, F proportional m1 m2 upon r square. So F is G m1 m2 upon r square. What is G? Universal gravitational constant. Do you know the value of G? Capital G value, anybody is knowing?
So 9.8 into 9.8 meter per second square.
कान का नीचे गणपति बजाना पड़ेगा.
No, no.
6.674 into 10 raised to
Acha, that one.
minus 11.
6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. The small g is 9.8, not capital. What is unit of this capital G?
सर लेकिन units क्या है?
Newton. अभी तो किया था ना ये unit.
हाँ okay.
This is Newton meter square upon kg square. So Newton meter square kg raised to minus 2. A body of mass 5 kg is moving with velocity 2. Find linear momentum. Velocity is 2, mass is 5. What is linear momentum formula? Linear momentum is denoted by P. Formula? Be quick. What is formula for momentum? Mass into velocity. So 5 into 2, 10 unit kg meter per second. Okay? Hello?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So today we stop here. Please revise.